got it. See, he keeps getting stuff at the bottom. Watch.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
No, it's Daddy.
You got it? Did he throw it out at the pool? Oh no.
He's gonna go get them all now.
Brody the fish. Dun, da, da, da. Good job.
Now
Whoops.
he's
Now he's going to try to throw it out. I wish it was close up with his face. Okay, well, who's this?
This is Belle.
Belle.
Belle,
What a Belle.
Belle. She's the wiggle worm.
When are
Look
we
at
going to
her.
actually let her swim?
She has swim.
No.
before.
I'm talking in the water.
Yes, I'm talking in the water.
Well, I
too.
have no film of it, so it didn't happen.
Oh, okay. If Jimmy Ward does not have film of something, it did not happen.
Swim.
Okay.
What? Go get. I
Go
think
get.
that's what he's saying.
That's amazing.
That is.
Woo! Good boy.
He's gonna throw it at you.
Look at pretty Stacy and pretty Belle.
Yes.
We'll send this on YouTube to your hubby.
Oh, I'm sure he's been waiting for a month.
Oh wait, what did you buy last night?
I bought some.
Ah! Don't tell! Not on film! No! Never! Look at that baby girl.
There, she's so pretty. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hey, I'm bouncy too.
Okay, there goes the swimmer fish, boy. Oh my gosh. Okay, end of swimming.